Another day, another adventure, guys. Well, as you can see, it's still dark out. It's not even 5:30 a.m. But today we are going, well, today, right now before breakfast, we are going on a little excursion to see the sunrise. Let's see if we can even see it, because I think it's pretty cloudy. We didn't see the sunrise, but after a few minutes it got above the clouds and it was pretty beautiful. But the best thing, Evelyn finally got to see a dolphin.
Well, I saw water moving and then not moving anymore.
Alright, she didn't see the dolphin, I guess. Now we'll have breakfast in 30 minutes and then we'll go for the walk in the jungle, so see you there. Yes, now we are going on the jungle walk. They told us to wear long trousers, good shoes, and well, I've got my special Crackhoppers shirt, which is mosquito proof and sun proof. I'm really looking forward to this. Hopefully we'll see some animals this time.
It's actually not bad. Tastes like nut? Yeah. What? Interesting.
You can just take the leaves and make a little cover because of the raining,
Yeah.
and you can sleep here.
Back at our bungalow, we've had lunch, took a little nap, but now we are going out again. We are only doing some canoeing. I'm taking the GoPro with me and I don't know what else is happening today, so see you later and I'll tell you more. The monkeys living around the lodge got so used to humans that now they wish to be close to them. Apparently this one even sneaks into Nelson's, our guide's cabin, whenever he forgets to close the door. Seems like there are actually no more people here, just us and two other girls and the guides, stuff. Everyone else already left. Weekend is over. It's Sunday afternoon. Interesting, people come here for just 2 days. I don't understand that. Seems like they are building something new up there. It's either a very big bungalow with a huge balcony or it's something for everyone else. Yes, they've told us they started with like 3 bungalows and the reception. Now it's like 18 bungalows, reception, a museum, the restaurant. That up there, that's ours. I guess you can see it. Balcony, the chairs, and the curtain on the left, that one is closed because that's what I did. I really did enjoy this little canoe tour. We actually even got to see some kingfishers. Sadly, I didn't take a picture of those because I didn't have the camera in my hand.
Also,
But
they're
I'm really-
very quick.
They are very quick, yes. And we saw some dolphins again, but still no pictures of them. Tomorrow is gonna be an awesome day. We're going to the jungle again in the morning, barbecue in the jungle, and then in the night we'll go again and we'll sleep in the jungle. Really been looking forward to that part. But now we'll go check out the pool, which, well, the pool is actually the water from the lake, but it's closed down inside so that no fishes or animals can go in, so Evelyn can go into the water without being scared. Still the same black water that makes everything scary. Sadly, there are no towels here. They actually said that there would be towels around here. Guess it was nothing, no towels, no pool for us. And well, we'll be doing nothing tonight, so thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and see you again tomorrow. Well, on the next video, I mean. Bye bye.